Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable confirm destination before sending on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is go over to the menu. Now select the function settings and go to send. Now we need to select the comment settings. And here we will have it the confirm destination before sending, and we can turn it off, on, or only for sequential broadcast. So I always use it as on. I want to be 100% sure that it checks the destination before sending anything, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.